So hello, welcome again. A very warm greeting from my end. And today we are going to understand or discuss the most essential topic of a C programming. The name itself is a pointers. If we'll talk about weightage of pointers in C programming, then we can say 50 to 60, 50 to 60% weightage account under this topic only. So let us start. In the inception of my lecture, I had delivered what is the variables. I had delivered what is variables like integer x. The declaration of variable x is like this. Okay. So what is it? It's a variable. It's a variable, and this x can hold. This x can hold values or literals. Okay. Similarly, pointer is also a variable. Similarly, pointer is also a variable which is used to store the address of the another variables. Okay, which is used to address. Okay, so in this declaration part, I had declared integer x. So what is data type of x? Integer. Similarly, if I had declared a pointer like p, then what would be the data type of this pointer p? It would be integer star p or asterisk. We can say asterisk also. Okay. This is the declaration of a pointer variables, and here I had slide. So let's see this definition. Like I had already learned, a pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. Okay. Here we have two operators. The first operator, star. Star is known as, or asterisk is known as value at operator. Value at operator. Value at operator name itself defines the value of the variable. Like I had declared one pointer, and we want to access the value of this pointer. Then we can use this operator. Okay, it is also known as indirection operator. See, and the second one is address at operator. Address at operator. Okay, this operator is used to print or to find out the address of the memory location. Okay, in the future onwards in our lecture we'll discuss the key points like pointer to pointer. If we have multiple pointers, how can we use it? Pointer with the array, 1D array and 2D array, how is it used in these two? And also we will discuss pointer with string constants and pointer with structures like structure, data type, how we will use pointer inside it. And the common pointer problems, the most essential thing, the common pointer problem like dangling pointer. If we will return the local address of a variable, it would be deleted from the stack. So therefore no such type of variable is appear inside the stack. So therefore this problem will be occurred, known as dangling pointer. We'll discuss elaborate. I will elaborate it very emphasizedly. So next one is null pointer dereferencing and memory leakage problem. If we use malloc or malloc, calloc, dealloc, and we are not free the memory, so such type of problem could also occur. Memory leakage problem is announced. So thank you very much. In our next lecture, we will discuss all of these things.